Hello, this is David Everest, Keeper of the Republic and Secretary of Mine for Twin Cedar Mining District, Township, Unincorporated City, and Mining Claim. Not necessarily in any one order, and they're all interchangeable. I have a complaint I wrote here. It's to the U.S. District Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, D.C., and the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit. The complaint against the clerk officer of the court in Black's Law, 5th edition. Duties of a clerk is to keep the records of the court for proceedings, records, and or account orders. Order of the court are orders by a judge with, I misspelled the word, I have to change it, with jurisdiction, not the clerk. There is a breach of duties of the public trust as trustees. There's 3 clerks of the court and 2 courts violating the duties of a public trust, as their duties are not to attack the valuable mineral deposit, land grant, and trust. The named clerks of the constructive trust as trustees, and I have to add 2 E's in and an S for some reason. It does this to me. As trustee, Daniel E. O'Toole, clerk of the court for the D.C. Court of Appeals, Federal Circuit. U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, Molly C. Dreyer, clerk of the court, and deputy clerk of the court, Reuben Talaver, Talaver. They're in a fiduciary breach of their duties because their duties is not to sign orders, which I have 2 orders here with their names signed on it, is ordering it. The Ninth Circuit says they're ordering it on behalf of the court. Well, they don't have the authority to order shit with the clerk because they're just record keepers. It'd be like if the janitor that worked at the Ninth Circuit ordered me. It would be no different. Only judges with the right jurisdiction can sign orders, and they have to have jurisdiction to sign an order. If they don't have jurisdiction, they can't sign an order. According to Black's Law, 5th edition, that's straight out of orders by the court. You look up orders, you look up by the court, and then you look up a clerk of the court. Well, they add office of the clerk, office of the court, and that office of the court is their record keeping. Now, they also have a definition of called law clerks. Law clerks only do research. They don't sign orders either. Yeah, they have a big influence on the judge, but it takes the judge to sign off on their research because they're law students. On the law clerks, they're not even officers of the court yet because they haven't passed the bar. They're still in law school. That's the way they do it. The court picks the best students every year to become clerk for them. The clerking is for research. It is not for them to sign orders either. By the way, the clerk of the court isn't a law clerk. The records keeping clerk. That's all their authority is to keep the records and keep records of proceedings and make sure that all the exhibits get in place and numbered. That's their job. That's their duty. Their duty is not to sign orders in place of a judge, because it takes a judge to sign orders only, and that's if they have jurisdiction. I'll be posting this right away on Facebook, Rowan Bear, and YouTube on Facebook, and Google Plus, my name, and LinkedIn. Have a nice day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.